Hello AP, I'm going to show you how to resize images correctly to upload them to the AP Digital Submission site. So you should open your PSD or your JPEG that you've been working on. I'm going to show you how to do a collage one and how to do a singular image. So I have my image open. I go to Image, Image Size, and I'm going to make sure whatever my largest number is, I'm just going to change that to 7, and it's automatically going to change the height. And it automatically changes the height because I have this little infinity symbol checked and there's lines fanning out from it. I have to change the resolution, so to do that properly I have to unclick the infinity symbol, and I'm going to start at 120. You don't want the image size up here to be over 3 megabytes. So if it's over 3, you just reduce it and maybe go to 100. In this situation, I can increase the resolution because I'm only at 1.02, so I'll maybe do 150, and there my image size is 2.3 megabits, which is completely fine because it's under 3. And I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to make sure if it comes up that the triangle should be all the way to the right for the plus, or for the 12. Now I go to File, Save As, and I'm going to title it, I'm going to retitle it AP Upload. Let's just say it's number 1. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. It's a JPEG. I'm going to hit Save. This is where I need to make sure the quality is at 12 and not any other number. It needs to be at the 12. And I hit OK. Now that one is ready to get uploaded in AP. When it asks you for the size, you don't put the size that we just changed it to. You put the size of what it would be printed out. So this is a horizontal print. So the height would be 13 inches and the width would be 19. So it's a 13 by 19 print. Okay, if I'm doing a collage, image size, I'm going to hit my little infinity symbol because it remembered the last time I turned it off. I'm going to take my highest number and change it to 7. I'm going to hit my infinity because I need to change the resolution without affecting the height and width, and I'm going to start at 120. That's perfect. You could even go a little more if you wanted. 1.62 is perfect because it's under 3. I hit OK. And then I'm going to do a File, Save As, AP Upload 2. And then I'm going to save it on my desktop, hit Save, make sure it's all the way at the 12, and OK. When I upload this to the AP Digital website, the size, the height and width is NA, not available, because it's a collage. You don't ever put the size of a collage. You just put NA, NA. And you don't have to put that dash because it won't read it properly. If you need help with your login, everything is in our Google Drive folder under our AP. And then we have, I have a whole folder that says digital, AP Digital Upload. Let me see where it is right here. I think it is College Board Upload Login AP Sizing. So here's a document. Here's our link to get onto the digital upload. And then here you all have, some of you have your logins already. And then I go over again how to change your sizing, but I think this video is probably going to be better for you. And then you can just click this link. And here we go to get into the AP Digital Upload. You need to upload at least 3 pieces. I don't care what order they're in, but you need to have at least 3. If you have more than 3, that's fantastic. April's going to be here before we know it. And I would like you to have as many things uploaded, and you can start writing as well. And I will see you all Monday.